on, everybody? This is Cabale with Cabale Media, and today's video we are talking about how to keep your email out of the spam folder, part 2. Stay tuned. Here's one tip I have for you to start already. Have you been using or have you been utilizing an email spam score checker? There's actually many tools like Spam Assassin, Mail Tester, quite a few. But those are two you can start with if you haven't used them yet. I'm not sponsored by them, but I can tell you I've used them and they're great. What it does is that it analyzes your email content, the structure, the headers, the identity, what potentially could be triggering the spam filters. It just allows you to make all the necessary adjustments before sending. I think you should use it. You don't have to use it, but it also can find things that may be problematic. Maybe there's too many links, maybe poor text-to-image ratio, or weird suspicious phrases, as in free or just other weird terms. I can't tell you what weird is, just because it's your industry, or what is not resonating with the customer. But again, things like free, things like guaranteed, those things will tend to trigger the spam filter unless they've already been your customer for a while and you're already safe on their end as far as sending emails. So 11 on this list is using spam email checkers to keep your email out of the spam folder. Avoid too many links. It just seems suspicious when you have a lot of links. Where could all these links possibly be going to? I don't think you're promoting your whole catalog. Don't be one of those spam people who are just stuffing things in an email in order to get your point across. Spammers use these type of tactics, and it just makes filters more cautious and then stops that email from going into your inbox. Use one call to action, streamline the whole email, one shop now, or maybe just to read more or learn more. You want the primary focus to be what they click on. If it's discover our latest collections, see our newest so-and-so, use that. One single link to one landing page, one CTA. Avoid too many links. Create engaging content. Why do I have to keep telling people this? If your email content is not good, no one will buy from you. That is just what it is. You have to tell the subscribers on your list why they need this product, how it's going to change their life, the benefits, why it's better for them, why it's going to enrich their life. You have to be the industry subject matter expert in your field. Be the best. You are the best. You have to believe you're the best. Create engaging content, and everybody will most likely buy your product. Monitor your email metrics. If you're not monitoring them, you're kind of shooting in the dark with the hopes that this email is going to be the best performing email. Track bounce rates and unsubscribe rates. Those are the main things you want to check so you know who to send to. Your email service provider is gold when it comes to these. Make sure your metrics are where you need them to be. You'll have higher open rates, higher click-through rates. Bounce rate indicates issues with your email's list health. Make sure that you're auditing the list frequently to get these bad emails out of the folder. Use reputable ESPs. I don't know not reputable ESPs, so your Klaviyo's and your MailChimps and your ActiveCampaign and your HubSpots. Use one that have all the compliance features built in so you're not out scrambling trying to figure out what to do. These platforms generally have spam score checkers, they have the A/B testing, they have the automations, they just help with maintaining a clean list. So use a reputable ESP. I'm not too familiar, to be honest with you, with the not so good ones, but I know that they're out there. And they do help with sending more cold emails. Just be aware of what you're using. If you're using the top ones that most companies are using, it'll be perfectly fine. Avoid attachments because attachments can trigger spam filters. I'm not too sure what you'd be attaching. If they're things like PDFs or docs, technically you could attach them, but I wouldn't. I don't know why you would attach. Anyway, people do. So having a link is your best bet. Whether it be to your website, you could host it on MailChimp or HubSpot or whatever email service provider you use. For example, instead of attaching your product catalog, you could do something like view our product catalog now and then have them link to either your website or a PDF hosted somewhere. And make sure that it's not gated, meaning you don't have to put passwords and stuff like that or enter your information. They've already been nice enough to opt in, so don't give them a second step. Put it on a landing page on the site, put it somewhere that they can access it easily. Avoid attachments at all costs. Test your emails across all platforms. Years ago, I used to use Email and Acid and Litmus. Email and Acid more. Most ESPs can help you test, but if you want to go a little bit more extensive, you can use something like Litmus. I don't remember which one it is, but I'm pretty sure it's HubSpot. HubSpot does have a Litmus integration in it, so you can use that as well. Just make sure that things are functioning correctly and rendering right across all platforms. If it's not rendering correctly, that can trigger a spam filter. Just remember to test across desktop and mobile, and everything should be better, and then you're less likely to avoid the spam filter. Maintain a consistent frequency. If you're not maintaining consistent frequency, what can happen is that spam filters will trigger because you're sending it odd times of the day, odd times of the week. Maybe you're sending an email every couple of weeks instead of every week. Make sure that you're staying consistent with your message. Have a consistent schedule. Always go by the analytics, but make sure you're sending on a consistent schedule so it doesn't look like you're sending spammy type of content. Engage with subscribers regularly. It just creates a relationship. Creates a likelihood of your emails not being marked as spam. Encourage feedback, do polls, ask for suggestions. Add the opted-in language at the bottom. You are receiving this email because of so-and-so. Click here to update your unsubscribe preferences. Give them things to click on so they're always engaging. Again, we spoke about it in the last video. If they need to unsubscribe, make that CTA clear. Always engage them. Whether it be feedback or survey links, try to add as much as you can, but don't annoy them, and you should be good to go. Stay compliant with the law. We spoke about it the last time to make sure that you have all your compliance set up. So CAN-SPAM, GDPR, CASL. It's crucial to make sure that you have all these legal things in check, because the last thing you want to do is get fined or whatever the case may be. I don't know the exact thing that could happen to you, but things do happen. Make sure your business address is present. Unsubscribe link is easy to find. Subject lines are not misleading, and everything is compliant. 2 videos down. How to keep your emails out of the spam folder. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. The last 10 to help you get your emails out of the spam folder. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, you can email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. Leave a comment down below. Go to cabalemedia.com. Get your free 30-minute consultation. I'm back from Florida now on vacation, creating more videos for you. Follow the socials. You know what to do. This is Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.